What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the PUNEHOD L1800 DTF transfer printer with roll feeder, a game-changing device that's about to revolutionize the way you print on clothing and fabrics. This incredible machine is packed with innovative features that make it a must-have for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. First, let's talk about the high-quality product that PUNEHOD has delivered. The L1800 DTF transfer printer is built to last, with a sturdy design and premium materials that ensure it can withstand the demands of frequent use. The printer's compact size and sleek design make it perfect for small businesses, hobbyists, or anyone looking to start their own printing venture. But what really sets it apart is the attention to detail that PUNEHOD has put into every aspect of the printer, from the intuitive interface to the advanced printing technology. This focus on quality means that you can trust the L1800 to produce consistent, professional-grade results every time. Another key benefit of the PUNEHOD L1800 is its great value. When you consider the features and performance of this printer, it's clear that it's an investment that will pay for itself many times over. The ability to print directly onto film, combined with the roll feeder, means that you can produce large quantities of printed transfers quickly and efficiently. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses looking to scale up their production, as well as individuals who want to create their own custom clothing and accessories. Plus, the printer's versatility means that you can use it to print on a wide range of materials, from light and dark clothing to accessories like hats and bags. Now, let's dive into the excellent performance of the PUNEHOD L1800. This printer is capable of producing stunning, high-resolution prints with vibrant colors and intricate details. The direct-to-film printing technology ensures that your designs are transferred onto the fabric with precision and accuracy, resulting in professional-grade finishes every time. The preheating function also ensures that the ink is fully cured, resulting in durable and long-lasting prints that won't fade or crack over time. Whether you're printing on light or dark clothing, the L1800 delivers exceptional results that will exceed your expectations. In addition to its impressive performance, the PUNEHOD L1800 is also incredibly easy to use. The intuitive interface and straightforward setup process make it simple to get started, even if you have no prior experience with printing. The printer also comes with a comprehensive user manual and dedicated customer support, so you can get help whenever you need it. This means that you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing designs and bringing your ideas to life. In conclusion, the PUNEHOD L1800 DTF transfer printer with roll feeder is an outstanding device that offers a unique combination of high-quality prints, great value, and excellent performance. Whether you're a business owner, hobbyist, or simply looking to create your own custom clothing and accessories, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations. So, if you're ready to take your printing to the next level, be sure to check out the PUNEHOD L1800. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible machine. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life with the PUNEHOD L1800.